Hello guys, Alex the Rail Fanning Redneck here. We are at my house for my Christmas layout for model railroading. As I said, I'm going to start making model railroading videos again, and this is the first installment into that series. So, let's start off this video with a piece of rolling stock. I had this thing for a while actually, but I'm still going to title it New because this is the first time that you're going to see a good video of this. So, this is my Athearn Roundhouse Burlington Northern 40-foot flat car. I'm not sure who built the flat car. I think BN built it, otherwise there would have been another company name there, because BN would just own the car. But maybe BN may have built the car. So, Burlington Northern 40-foot 8 scale flat car. This is pretty basic actually. There's really not much to review here. You have one end where there was a stand for the brake wheel, but that broke off. They have these coupler plate clips. They're not the screws. They're kind of hard to take off, but they're kind of easy to put back on. So, metal wheels. Nice deck. These originally came with stakes, but I lost all the stakes. And nice detail on the side. Some of it's coming off, sadly. It has the McHenry couplers. Nice detail under the car. Pretty good. Here's a picture of it from the side on the box. Missing the trucks on the box for some reason. The strips on the back of the box right here. You can pause that to read it for extended time. These cars are going to get reviewed too, except for that one and the rail box and Burlington Northern car. I made videos of those already. Just go to my playlist on the channel called 8 scale model railroading videos and you'll see it on there. So, let's start by pulling this flat car to get an operational demo of it. I'm going to have to take those cars off the track first, and maybe I'll think about putting the train together to run it. So, the locomotive that we're going to pull this thing with is my Athearn CSX EMD ZP40-2. I have no idea what that crap is, but it's kind of gross. So, my guess is that it's from the humidity or something. But I've been scraping all that crap off. I don't know what it is, but it's gross. May have been old ranch dressing or something when I was eating lunch at the workbench. I'll couple it up to the locomotive right here and get all that stuff out, and we're gonna be good to go to test. Alright, we got the flat car hooked up to the engine here. The power to the track is connected. So CSX, pull forward and pull the car. Alright. This engine is 2 years old. Probably has a lot of hours on it because I've been running it the most out of all my other locomotives that I have. Gonna have it up there. Wait for it to go across the railroad crossing here. Yeah, something's up with this engine. I'm gonna have to get that thing looked at. It goes fast in some areas, but sometimes it slows down to other areas. Pull that dog hair off the track. Watch it go by again. Pretty cool, huh? Let's watch it go by again. For the sake of simplicity, we're gonna limit these videos. So, I know this is kind of a boring video to start out with, but the videos will get better as I advance throughout all the new rolling stock from last Christmas. So yeah, a lot of new rolling stock videos will come out, and some new surprise locomotive videos will come out. If you followed me on Instagram, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So I hope you guys give it a like, comment, subscribe. So I'm gonna work on another model railroading video right after I'm done filming this. So this is Alex the Rail Fanning Redneck, and I'm out.